from Zoho. How many of you have heard the term Zoho or a person's name called Sridhar Bamboo? Oh, all right, you've heard about Zoho. Is it because you guys came to our booth before morning? Okay, that's great. So just asking. We are a company, a software company based out of India, and we are made in India and made for the world. So just before I jump into the product that we have, I'll just introduce you what Zoho is and how did Zoho become the big company that is there in India now. 25 years ago, around, let's say 1990, Zoho started in a small apartment where the mission then was to build smart and reliable technologies to help businesses grow and succeed. So right now, 25 years later, we have grown with 55 plus applications. We span across 150 countries, and last year we hit 100 million users. And also, we are a company with 15,000 plus employees who put their heart and soul to create applications to help businesses. Right now, as a company, Zoho, our aim is to build software solutions for companies and become the operating system of every businesses. So, as I said, we have 55 plus applications. We also provide our products in suites. So, any business problem that you have, we always have a solution in Zoho. So, all right, just give me a minute. All right, let's talk about Zoho Sprints. So today we are here for this event to exhibit our product Zoho Sprints. So before I explain what Zoho Sprints is, as I already mentioned, that we build products to help businesses grow, and also we build products for ourselves as well. So let's say we have a business problem, we have a glitch that's happening, we have a certain hiccup, and we always make sure we build our own solutions. So when we have a business problem, we make sure we build a business solution for us, and that's been our goal since day one of Zoho, and that's exactly how Zoho Sprints came into being. Since we are a software solution company, we build different softwares for different businesses or needs, let's say HR or let's say finance. We have software solutions for all of that. So as we started building softwares, we reached a point where we realized that it would be great to build our products with Agile methodology. And that is how we decided to build Zoho Sprints. So Zoho Sprints is a planning and tracking tool exclusively for Agile teams and for Agile businesses. When we talk about Zoho Sprints, we call it simple. We believe it is scalable and performance driven. Zoho Sprints is very easy to navigate, to build your projects and to track them, to do your planning before you start your projects and your sprints, to track them every now and then, to understand the bottlenecks and to understand how your project is progressing. Let's if you break down Zoho Sprints, we can break them into three. We have planning, tracking, and deliver. So in terms of planning, as you all know, since we all are Agile related, you know what sprint planning is. So we start from a backlog. We help projects to break down into smaller user stories, epics, and then plan them, allocate resources to it, and time as well. And then we come to tracking. So apart from the normal Agile reports like burn up, burn down, cumulative reports, we also have dashboards, which helps you to quickly go ahead and then see where are we with the project or where are we with the sprints or epics. So tracking is very easy with Zoho Sprints. And then deliver. As you all know, sprints run every 14 days, and then we believe in iterations and incremental delivery. And that is where deliver comes in. So Zoho Sprint supports to plan your releases and deliver to your customers periodically. So these are the three main areas that we cover in Zoho Sprints. And also we have tight integration with many third-party applications to help you, for your integrations, for your delivering, and also for any tech-related deliver that you need to do. Also, we have, these are the few customers. All right. It's okay. So these are few of our customers that we have with Zoho Sprints. And if you would like to know more about the product, please do visit us in our booth. We'll be happy to guide you through our product. And I wish you all a happy sprinting. Thank you.